Welcome to Realeather Crafts. In this video, we are going to go over how to make the Suede Mystery Braid Bracelets. You may ask yourself, what is the mystery? The mystery is that in each package you get 5 assorted bracelets. They're all cut the same, they're all the same size, they vary in colors. So the mystery is, what colors did you get? So in this package here that we're going to use today for our demo, it was more earth colors with a bright turquoise. Another kit that we had that I opened up to share with you had much brighter colors in it. So it really just depends on luck of the draw what colors you get with your package, which is kind of fun. It's like a blind box. So today's video, we are going to show you how to do the fun braid, because as you can see, they come with 3 strands that are attached at each end, so you can't do a traditional braid. And there's a couple little tips on how to do it. When you get your kit, it does come with fully illustrated instructions on the back, which are extremely helpful if you need to do this without the video. But the video tutorial will be very, very clear and easy to follow. So let's take a look at what the Suede Mystery Braid Bracelet looks like. It has the snap already installed. So you could just wear it like this with the 3 strands. You don't have to actually braid it, but it looks very pretty braided. But because of the way this is made, you have 3 strands in the middle that are attached at both ends. So you cannot do a traditional braid on the cuff. So I recommend, as a beginner, to tape it down with some painter's tape or some low-tack tape to a work surface. It kind of holds it in place so you don't have to hold on to it while you're also trying to manipulate the braid. So there are directions, like I said, on the back, and it tells you how to do it, but sometimes just seeing it in a tutorial is so much easier, and that's what we're going to do today. So the first thing you need to do is you have 3 strands. The first strand is A, the middle strand is B, and the last strand is C. And you're going to need to twist it to do the first braid. So you take the end of the bracelet and you're sliding it between the second and third strap. And that creates like this weird twist, which makes you think you're doing it wrong. You are not. You want to keep the twisty part at the bottom away from where you're braiding, and you want to keep the strands at the top flat. If you can keep these all flat throughout the braid, it's a lot easier and you don't have to do some cleanup at the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to start braiding. So we're going to do A over B, C over A, and then B over A. That is our first braid, and we're going to keep the tension tight there. And now you can see it wants to do this weird twisty part down here. We're going to correct the twist by going through in between the first and the second strap this time. We're going to go back through those, and when I pull this, you'll see everything lays nice and flat, and you'll have an extra braid down here at the bottom. So you're going to use your fingers and work that braid up to the top by just picking up the strands and just straightening them out. And you want to look at how even is this braid at this point. It's really easy to just correct it as you go versus at the end where we have to kind of pull it and straighten it out. So I do recommend just following and keeping that braid even as you go. So we've got our first braid done. Now if you look, if you were to follow this strap right here, so if you get lost doing this, this is a really good tip. If you were to get to this point and you're like, did I do everything to complete this braid? What I did is this very first strap, I followed it all the way up to make sure it's still in the A position. And then the second strap is in the B, and the third strap is in the C. So if you remember, we started ABC and we're back to ABC. Now you know it's time to again insert the tail of the braid between the second and third strap to create the funky twist at the bottom. And I'm again keeping the top pieces as straight as I can, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to braid again. Oops, and if you come untaped, just retape it. So we're going to go A over B, C over A, and then B over C. Then you notice I'm making a hole there. Move my fingers out of the way, making a hole there, and we're going to put the tail of the bracelet between the first and second straps, which will clean up that twist and give us more braids to straighten out. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to straighten these up. Just like that. Now, I have these look nice and even. This one actually looks a little bit bigger, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my finger and work these braids up a little bit tighter. And again, I'm not twisting anything, I'm just pulling each strand up a little bit tighter. And you're going to see here, there we go. Now that looks nice and even. And at the bottom here, okay, so we can get one more braid into this bracelet. And so we're going to do, again, separate the second and third straps, tuck it through, get the weird twist at the bottom. Now the braid and the twist are getting very close together, making it a little more challenging to do this, but if you keep everything organized and orderly, it should be okay. So again, we're going to go A over B, C over A, and then B over C. You can see just how tight this is getting. And I'm going to open up the space between the first and the second strap and shove that very tight little end in, and we're going to tug it, and we are going to straighten out all of our strap because it got twisted on me. That's why it's nice to keep it as you go, because now you only have to fix the end of it. And there you go. There it is. There it is. You can give it a nice tug, straighten it all out, and there is our braid. And then we can put this on, and we're ready to roll. It's just a quick snap on your wrist, and you've got a beautiful leather cuff bracelet, which I'd be more than happy to wear. And you can add more of them. You can wear more than one. You can wear however you'd like. And you could even, here's a gray one, unbraided. You can throw that right in the middle. So you can decide how you want to wear the bracelets. You can wear them braided, unbraided, multiples, single. You get 5 in a kit, so you could just make 5 of these and give them to your 5 closest friends. It is a really fun, easy, and relaxing project to do, and it only takes a few minutes to make a beautiful suede mystery braid bracelet. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on Suede Mystery Braid Bracelets from Real Leather Crafts. Make sure to check out their website, realeather.com, and remember, Real Leather only has one L. And check out their blog post, all of their social media posts. Leave us comments and let us know what you think. And also let me know if there are other kits from Real Leather or leather techniques that you would love to see a tutorial on in the coming months. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and we'll see you next time.